Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Forex Fundamentals. I am your host Avi. First of all, sorry for those viewers who are watching already my Hindi channel and I was unable to upload the views on the crude oil over there, and just I told them that okay, I'll update those on the Forex Fundamentals. So if you want to join the Hindi channel as well, is the Forex Blasters with the name Forex Blaster. It's already running. So this one is the new channel. I'm sure you will like it, and you will keep commenting on that. So on the today, I'll discuss whether what's the market doing right now and what are the expected targets. So for that, you can join the free WhatsApp group as well of the Forex Fundamentals. And there's a free WhatsApp group. It's absolutely free. Everybody can join in. There's no joining fees and there's no monthly fees. The only thing you have to do is that you have to join the IB of our OCTAFX or XNES. The IB links are there in the video description. And if you are already a user, then you can join those IB by changing the IB, and the IB numbers are there, and my WhatsApp number is also there. You can contact me over there to join the free WhatsApp group of the Forex Fundamentals. So fundamentally, I just as you know this channel that I give a lot of importance to the fundamentals. So on Monday, today is a Monday, the opening day. There's not a very huge kind of fundamental day over there, so we'll be moving technically over there. So first of all, coming to the gold, obviously the gold has a big resistance area that needs to be catered by the gold bulls around at the 1680. So if we are just looking for a buy position, the area for the buy should be 1662 to 1666. That's the lower side. Okay, with the SL of 1652. So this is from there, the 1662 and 66, that you can start putting your buy position. Your TP could be 78, 1678. And above that area, if already once we have been rejected in the morning, as I told in the other group, other video, that there's a high possibility that we might get rejected once or twice on the area of the 1680. But once any half an hour candle opens and closes above 1680, the first target would be 1692 and then 1698. So these are the areas I'm looking forward. Overall, you can from there you can start adding to your sell position, because that will be something ideal. With the SL of 1708, that would be ideal. You can, if you are just looking for a sell position, that will be something ideal, and that will be something you can look forward the whole day. So I have told you the buying area, the conditions, and the selling area for the gold. I'm sure that you would apply those to your trading skills today. Now just getting back to the crude oil, as I always say that once the DXY loses grips, the oil starts gaining the momentum. And as we are expecting that today the DXY is going to remain on the lower side today, although I'm telling you that today is going to be a scalping day, more over that, because there might not be a very huge volatility, because on the Monday there's the volume is always very low, so you have to do some scalping. This is totally for the intraday purposes. This is not the swing trade, this is nothing new, but for the intraday purposes you have to really look for the scalping trades. And for the intraday, don't ignore the 60, 70, 80 pips, because there is something area that you can rely on the intraday basis. Okay, now just getting back to the oil. Again, oil you might see gaining momentum, because 84 was not totally breached actually. $84 per barrel has not properly been breached. Although for the buying area, the ideal scenario could be from the 81.5 to 80. That will be the ideal area. If you get that, just pounce on the buys and you will get a very good reward over there. But for the selling, as the trend is on the downward, so what area we should be looking forward for the selling area? That is from 86.75 to 87.50. That is the selling area, and with the SL of 88.50. Although I know that yes, the oil always bring more volatility, more profit, so the SL has to be at least more than 120, 130 pips. That's the minimum you have to put the SL on, because just a 5-minute candle can go through and hit your SLs in no time. So that is something, the risk associated with the crude oil. But the crude oil is something that if you want to get rich in very fast into the in this field, then crude oil is the way, because the crude oil will give you the lot of volatility on the daily basis. At least it is minimum on the side. The worst day even you will get a 300 to 400 pips volatility on the crude oil. So where is the volatility, there is always a profit, but you have to be on the right side of the volatility, right, not on the wrong side where your SLs and your portfolios get hit. But always make sure, never to forget the SLs. You have to do the trading with the stop loss. Without stop loss, there is no such thing as trading. I'm telling you that again and again. And the risk management and the portfolio management are the other features which you have to really rely upon. Regarding the euro has a very strong support right now of 0.996, and the SL is obviously, which I have been floating for the past 1 or 2 weeks, that is the 0.9898600. That is the SL, and I'm sure till Wednesday evening that's not going to break down. So from there you can always do the 40-50 pips scalping all the time. But the near future on the daily basis, the target can be 1.0085. That is the euro target, and it's a good profit, and it's a safe trade right now with the euro. I'm telling you that it is much safer. And with but you need to have a lot of patience over there. Just but don't try to sell it out. Just try to be on the buy side for the euro and for the GBP as well. GBPUSD, the area is obviously, I'm telling for the past few days, that 1.1300 and 1.14 are the huge areas. Basically anything in between them, you get the buy position, just do it, just pounce on it, and you will get 70-80 pips the whole day. On any day you will get that, because if something you get about 1.137 area, 1.136 area, 5 area, that will be something excellent for you to trade on. And you can take your first TP at that 1.1425 or 1.1450. Those will be the TP areas for you on the GBP USD. But I'm telling you again and again, till Wednesday, don't do the selling. Yes, when the rate of interest change, the DXY will start flourishing, and the DXY is basically facing a stiff resistance on 110.5 area. That is something, the area, it is right, a resistance area from 109.9 to 110.4. This is the resistance area of the DXY. Till the time it is something that the daily closing come above that area, the DXY is gonna have the every chance that DXY could visit 106 area, 106.5 support area. So but that might happen right after the Wednesday. Before that, it FOMC, before that it might not happen. Okay, so now coming back to the USD JPY, although we haven't seen something practical or the practical roadmap from the Japanese officials regarding the value of the yen, but they are verbally very vocal about the ability and about the value of the yen and the depreciation that is coming into the yen. So this gives a short-term support to the yen, and the yen has the very strong resistance, because that is the first day that the closing was made below the 20 EMA moving 20 simple moving average, 50 simple moving average. That is the after some long time, the yesterday the Friday closing was something on the bearish side. So we have to pounce upon that bearish closing, and we have to stay in selling. There is a huge resistance has been built up of the 143.750 area of the Japanese yen, and you can put your stop losses on the 144 area and then take the sell position from there. And the TP could be 142.5, 142.1 and 141.80 could be the area. And if something, a policy matters or a statement come regarding the Japanese yen, which I'm expected in the coming 2 days, the area could go up to the 140 or the 139 area. From 139 area, obviously you can take a buy position for the yen, particularly keeping the FOMC and the rate of interest change meeting impact on Wednesday as well. So I've covered each and everything. I'm sure the areas which I'm most of the currencies which we are trading on, The Nasdaq is gonna stay on the lower side till the time, because of this Federal Reserve, uh, the policy and the hawkish stance on the inflation. So till the time the interest rates keeps on getting higher, the Nasdaq is gonna stay under the pressure. So the 13,000 is a very huge resistance of the Nasdaq, and in the coming days we could see that Nasdaq could try and break the 11,000 mark area, which has been a huge resistance. But with such aggressive stance of the Federal Reserve, there is a very high chance that Nasdaq could retest that support area of 11,200 actually. So I hope that you like the video. Just keep commenting on the video, keep giving the feedback, and you can avail the facility of the free WhatsApp group. Just whenever you message me, just give me the reference of the Forex Fundamentals or the Forex Blasters, because these are the two different groups. Because of the language barrier, we have two different set of people over there. So I'm sure that you would like both, because the Forex Fundamental is always obviously running very well, and there are huge number of people. This is the new channel, this is the new platform for those people who have the language barrier. I try to accommodate them, because there's a continuous messages going on the Forex Fundamental, because either I had to use the subtitles or either I had to do something about it. So that's my vision, that okay, you need an English channel, I'm providing you that. So I'll try to give you the best facilities I could in my best of abilities. I'm sure you like it, and have a good day and keep earning the profit.